in the beginning, it was hard. I felt like I'm not capable of coding. I got pull requests with like 14 comments, and I initially thought, oh man, I'm such a bad developer, but quickly realized that it was just their way of telling me how I can learn and how I can do better. And with the time, those comments got like less and less, to a point where I just got like the green check mark with a GIF saying like, well done. And that immediate feedback of learning, when you just like see how many comments are still you still receive on your pull request, is very encouraging to just proceed going and proceed learning and doing it better. And at some point, you also start remembering, hey, that was actually criticized during pull request review. So this time I will make it better. And that way you just really turn it into a habit.
That's actually a beautiful realization to have, to go from, ooh, this feedback feels icky to me, right? Like it feels like a personal negative thing, to realize actually it's a learning opportunity. And to realize that these code reviews are really helping you grow and helping you become better. That's a beautiful way of framing it. And I don't know that many people look at code reviews that way, but that totally resonates with me, to where you're probably the developer you are because you listen to all of that feedback. And the thing about feedback is, right, you always have to kind of triangulate a little bit, right? You have to be like, okay, who am I? What have I done? And who's giving me that feedback? And I think about, where are they coming from? Because often I find that people give feedback that is well-intentioned, but actually sort of misses the point a little bit. But still, within most feedback, there's some kernel of truth of like, okay, they're missing the point, but they kind of, they're seeing something that doesn't seem quite right to them, right? They're seeing something where I could improve. I don't think that they're often really it's because they're coming in solution space, right? Often I get feedback that's like very solution space oriented. It's like, you need this. And it's like, yes, that will maybe fix a problem, but really at a slightly deeper level, the problem that I have is actually something slightly different. And I actually have a solution that might be slightly better. I love the feedback though, right? And so I think you have to somewhat triangulate over that feedback and be like, where are the people coming from? What are they trying to tell me? And then really, what do I want to apply from that is really important. And detaching oneself from the other person's feelings and from your feelings about your work is also really difficult sometimes when you get particularly critical feedback.